Hey, if you're a spec home builder and you're looking to scale your home building business faster, you need these three things. The first thing you need is access to unlimited capital. So you don't have to worry about where your funding is going to come from. You can build as many projects as you want. Secondly, you need high leverage. Higher loan amounts means less cash on the deal so you can spread it across more projects and keep reserves on hand for a rainy day. And thirdly, you need fast funding. You need to be able to close on opportunities quickly as soon as you identify them, and you need your draw requests funded quickly so you can complete your builds quicker, exit, and then turn that money into more homes. My name is Johnny Crossway, and our company HMO Investments is a direct lender on new construction loans for 1 to 4 unit residential projects nationwide. In the last 3 years, we've funded over $100 million in new construction loans for professional spec home builders just like yourself. We're not like your typical bank. As soon as you get approved with us for just your first deal, you have access to virtually unlimited capital where future loans are just a matter of getting an appraisal. That's it. No additional paperwork. Unlike working with banks, anytime you want to get a loan from them, they're going to request 10 to 20% of the loan amount as a deposit in their bank, not including the money that you actually have to put into the property as your equity or skin in the game. In addition to virtually unlimited capital, we also offer high leverage on our new construction loans. How does it work? Simple. We can fund up to 90% of your total project costs. That includes the land and construction costs. On the vertical construction, we can fund up to 100% of construction. On the land, we can fund up to 75% of the land purchase price. And if it makes sense, we can sometimes fund up to 6 months of interest reserves in the loan. If you already bought the land and made any improvements to it, or you own it free and clear, we can reimburse you for up to 75% of what you paid for the lot at closing, in addition to your vertical construction loan. Less cash in the deal for you means a few things. 1, less risk. 2, you can spread your cash across more projects simultaneously. 3, higher return on investment on the cash you have in the deal. And 4, you could have more cash in reserves in case of a rainy day. And the third most important thing to scaling your home building business is access to fast funding. We can close new construction loans in just 7 to 10 days. That's it. And our draw requests are funded in just 24 hours because we don't need a third-party inspector to come and inspect the property. We rely on your expertise as the home builder. So simply just take photos of the completed work, upload it to our back-end portal, and we'll send you the funds for your draw within 24 hours. So you're probably wondering, Johnny, how do I qualify for your new construction loan program so I can get access to unlimited funding, fast draws, fast closings, and high leverage? Well, it's really simple. Like I said before, we're not like your traditional bank where we need your blood type, your tax returns, and need to know your wife's maiden name. We don't care about any of that. All we care about is your experience as the home builder. That's what we are leaning on. We just want to see that you've completed at least 1 to 2 similar sized projects of what you're trying to accomplish on your current project. So for example, let's say that you're trying to build $1 million single family home. If your track record shows that you only built 200K homes in a different state or city than what you're trying to build in, you're not going to get approved for your loan. But if you can show us that you've built at least $1 to $2 million homes before, ideally in the same market, city or state, you're easily going to get approved and probably up to 90% of your total project cost. We also need a minimum credit score of 660. Of course, no mortgage rates, no bankruptcies or foreclosures. And lastly, we want to see that our borrowers have at least a 30% profit on their deal. Because if they're not making profit, then they're not going to pay back our loan. We have your best interest in mind, and we want to make sure that you're making money on your deal. The application process is very straightforward. You're going to do a credit and background check and just pay for an appraisal that's ordered by us. While the appraisal report is coming in, you'll need to provide the following basic documents. If it's a purchase, we'll need a purchase contract. If you already own the land, we'll just want to see the HUD settlement statement showing proof of what you paid for the land when you got it and that you're the owner. For the property, we just simply need the site plans, the construction budget, and the permits if available. If there's no permits available, we just need a letter from your architect confirming the plans that they set out originally. Additionally, as far as personal documentation, all we need is your entity docs like the operating agreement, certificate of good standing, EIN letter, and articles of formation. We also just need a stated personal financial statement and your track record of recently completed homes. On the track record, we're just going to simply ask you for the address, purchase price of the land, the construction budget, and the completion value or sold price. And then we'll just verify that you were the owner on title for each of those projects to get you approved. After the appraisal comes in, and assuming we have all those other items in, we just go straight to underwriting for final review, which takes about 24 to 48 hours. And then we go to loan committee for final decision, which takes 24 to 48 hours. Once the loan is approved, we can fund within 2 to 3 days after that. So it's just a matter of getting insurance approved and paid for and clear and marketable title. So that's it. I just covered all the requirements that you need to know about how to get qualified for a new construction loan with us in 2024. Click the link below to schedule a call with myself or one of my team members to see if we can get you pre-qualified immediately for your next new construction loan. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you got value out of this, definitely like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more how-to videos like this, check out this video here. Or if you want to see our behind the scenes day-to-day operations, check out our show, The Hard Money Lions, on YouTube here. And don't forget to Roz it up.